Jay from the Heartland, Nebraska, and I am at Shoemakers truck stop. Shoemakers is known for its all-you-can-eat spaghetti dinner. I wouldn't say it's world famous, probably regionally famous, but we're way back in the nosebleeds, so we're going to cut through these trucks here. Alright, there it is just up ahead. We're going to walk across this parking lot. Hopefully we don't get run over. We're going in a hole. Hang on. Okay. That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Before we go in, I want a couple disclaimers. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear them, but first one is I wasn't paid to do what I'm about to do. Okay, I don't drive a Sprinter van and make $1 million a year, and I didn't get paid by some company to dress up in an ugly beaver suit, okay? I'm just gonna leave that out there. This is real life as it's really happening, okay? No stages, no takes, no camera crews. Maybe someday. Wow, check this out. You see this? $13 cents for gas. Is that, hold on. 1 gallon was 18 cents. I want that. Oh yeah, we had to be all special as a society. Contains lead, what do we do? So we got rid of lead and we got better gas prices. Okay guys, let's go in here and see this place. This is huge, by the way. Let's check it out. Please wear a mask. Uh-oh. Everything looks pretty good. Might be on the wrong side. I'm trying to find the food. Holy crap. Check out this. Everything you could possibly want in here. Oh look, you got some gambling going on here. What's up guys? Good luck. 1920 Douglas. Wow. Look at this. To truck owners present and future, the Douglas Motors takes unusual pleasure in announcing to the general public and the business concerns whoever may have future hauling and delivery problems the appointment of an organization of the highest class to be distributors of Douglas trucks in the following Nebraska counties. Holy cow, look at this. How's it going, man? Oh, wow. Look at this one. International Harvester. Top speed of 35 miles per hour on high. No speeding tickets for this guy. Wow. Okay, guys, this is it. Shoemakers Restaurant. Home of the famous all-you-can-eat spaghetti. Let's get ourselves a table. See yourself?
We are only to-go orders now. We close in about 10 minutes.
Oh, great. Wow. Okay. Well, that's disappointing. Okay. I guess no food. Okay, that doesn't usually happen, so don't put them on your radar for next time you want to visit Nebraska. They usually do have good food, but you keep that in mind not to do that. Okay, no food. Wow. I said I would show you real life, and that was real life. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go cook food in the Tiny Wanderer, like a tiny home person should. Well, so I mean, it's a cool place, Nebraska, but you can't, you know, even the best places in the world don't always serve you when you need to be. So we'll go find something else. Thanks, come again. Probably not. But they have scales, so we can weigh the Tiny Wanderer. Alright guys, this video was a bust, but I'm still gonna post it. If you've ever had that happen to you, hey, it's a beautiful night. Parked amongst the 90,000 trucks in America's heartland. Well, take care of yourselves, guys. I'll see you soon. This is Jay from Tiny Wonderland. Keep rolling those wheels.